I love this Grasshopper mower. I tell you what, this thing, it's like nickel and dime and little issues all the time. Like, I've had nothing but issues. Now, our valve cover, see all that oil? Good thing we caught it, but valve cover gasket's leaking, or an O-ring or something. I'm not sure until I take that valve cover off and replace it. It's just, I love these Grasshoppers. But this one, but you know, it could have sat for a really, really long time. So a lot of these seals, a lot of these O-rings are probably all bad. Like the machine that I bought this guy off of, it sat at his farm for a long time. This sat and for almost a year at my house. So it's just a matter of time now that I'm running it. It's running good. It mows good, everything. It's awesome. But y'all know what it is. So I'm gonna help LaShawn. We're gonna do some weed eating. I think we got a lot of rain coming. Hey, if you're new to the channel, it's just about me growing from addiction backgrounds and poverty mindsets to build my own business in lawn care. This is LaShawn. LaShawn. I called you Deshawn earlier, but he's starting a new guy. He's never really done lawn care or anything like that. But Broad Meadow Bay, he's a hard worker, so we're gonna give him a chance. You're gonna see him around in the channel today. We're gonna be doing a bunch of, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like to mow a cemetery. What's it look like? How do you mow a 30-acre cemetery? How do you string trim a 30-acre cemetery? It's a lot out here, isn't it?
Yes, it's a whole lot out here.
Yeah, it's a whole lot out here. Connor's already over there started. We're kind of getting started over here. It's kind of late when we got started, but the grass is so wet, is what it is. We're gonna be on here for the next 3 days. So the next 3 days, we're gonna use the Grasshopper, a residential John Deere, and we're just gonna weed eat. And it's gonna take us all day, but I've been doing it all summer, all spring, and it's hard. It truly is. It wears on your body, but it is what it is. So you guys will be seeing some of that journey. Cover gaskets. But today we're gonna be mowing the cemetery. We got 2 Grasshoppers. That's a 720K and a 616 Grasshopper. These out front mowers, I really like the way the out front mowers do. Y'all see what that is? Got oil all over this Kohler. It's a Kohler Command 20 horsepower. That's all blow by that's coming out the top of that. These seals, me and Connor last year kept having to replace the rear main seal, and then this engine I let sit, and I think the seals, gaskets, everything, it's just, that's all blow by. That's bad. That's bad news, guys. Guys, that's bad news. So this whole engine's gonna need rebuilt. That's about the only thing left to do with is rebuild it, right? That's so much pressure. We checked the compression in that engine too, and the compression was good. Yep. But it's got too much pressure in there. Well, at least we got a PVC valve. PCV. That's what I said.
It's fucked.
It's screwed.
Alright, start that thing back up. Not all the way throttled up though.